So this is downtown Detroit. We're gonna make our way to Hart Plaza right over there. We're setting up over here for the Grand Prix in Detroit. And we're gonna do this YouTube video. We're gonna name it Hart Plaza because we're gonna end over there. We're just gonna take a walk. So if you wanna see some of downtown Detroit, stay tuned to this video. But this is, well, if you're familiar with Detroit, this is the Lodge Freeway right here. This is downtown, and they're setting it up. We'll walk over there. But where you see that black area, they're setting it up for the Grand Prix in Detroit. That's gonna be happening, I believe, May 31st. May 31st through June 2nd. It's a nice day in Detroit. You could see, let's see if I can, I was gonna try to zoom out on my camera, but I can't. But you can see, like, in the background, this is downtown Detroit. And I'll turn around. You got Huntington Place right there. I was just in there for a little bit. You can see in the back, very back, is Canada. We'll keep walking. Matter of fact, you know what? We'll walk over here. I want to show you guys something over here. This is a cool boat over here. I had an opportunity to ride it 2 summers ago, but it's the Detroit Princess. We'll go take a walk over there. See, they got these yellow barriers over here. So I don't know if we'll be able to go right into Hart Plaza, but we can go right over here. But this is all part of Huntington Place right here. Yeah, they're setting up for the Grand Prix right here. If I go, I'll definitely do a YouTube video. It's about 50-50 right now. It's a beautiful day, Saturday. That's the Detroit Princess. Actually, we'll walk all the way down. During the summertime, you can take that all the way to Belle Isle and then back. I definitely recommend it. You can see in the background Canada over there, Caesars Windsor. I'm working on doing a video. I'm working on going to Canada, hopefully in a couple weeks. I want to go stay the night over there and do some videos, so I'll post those at that time. But anyways, this Detroit Princess is a lot of fun, and I've been on it a couple times. Last time I went on it, you know, they had dancing and food and all that. And they had everybody from children to people in their 60s and 70s. So that's something to check out in Detroit. And you can see Huntington Center over here. I guess we'll get some nice views. We'll just go to that pole and you can see the beautiful water. I'll see if I can zoom in over on Canada, over towards Canada when I stop over here. But you can see people walking right here. This is the riverfront, if you're not familiar with Detroit. So I'll stop over here and I'll try to zoom. So that's 2 times. So you see right over here, that's all Canada. You can see the flag. And you could take a tunnel to take you over there, and you come out right over on the other side. That's 3 times zoom. You can see that boulder right there. So that's a nice view. And that's all Canada right over there. So we'll zoom back out. And you can see right over there is Hart Plaza. We're gonna try to get in over there. I'm not sure if we can, because they're setting up for that Grand Prix. You can see some more of the Detroit skyline. But that's one of the things I like about Detroit, is that it's close to Canada. I just don't take advantage of it as much as I should. But I'm hoping in a couple weeks to go over there, and I'll post some videos and stuff. Yeah, Hart Plaza right over there. A lot of big things happening in Detroit in the summertime. And they're gonna open up the train station, I believe June 6th. And they've been renovating that for years. And that's a big project. And obviously I'll be there and I'll upload videos for that. So if you wanna know more about Detroit, definitely subscribe. And I have an Instagram and All that I'll put in the descriptions, but we'll walk over here and then we'll make a right. That's a really nice place to stay. I was up on the top floor, one of the top floors, about 2 months ago, because I do photography, and it was an event. I had a great time. Excuse me. Got nice views of Canada from up there. We'll come over here. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's Saturday. It's about 76 degrees. And then, you know, you got the Huntington Place. And we got, this is Jefferson right here. And we'll take a walk right over here. I believe it's about $100 to attend the Grand Prix. And they're gonna have places, it's gonna be just like a regular racing event where they're gonna have stands and everything. And I'm gonna do my best to go there and to have a good time, make the most out of Detroit for the summertime especially. Trying to think if, oh no, sorry, Movement's gonna be there. The Movement Festival is gonna be there first. That's gonna be Memorial Day weekend, and that's a big festival, music festival. I might be out of town next weekend, but it's like $150 a day to get in, $150, which is a lot of money. But that festival, the Movement Festival, if you're into like dance music, it's a really good time. And then the week after is gonna be the Detroit Grand Prix. So it's gonna be the Movement Festival first. That's gonna be a big thing. See, you pay $150 for this, you pay $100 for that. You see how it can add up? I mean, it's a lot of money, but there's a lot of things going on in the city. You know, if you can just make that money, you know, movement. So like next week, there'll be people all lined up here with flyers and stuff like that. And then obviously there'll be people inside here for the festival. Even if I don't go inside the festival, there'll be a couple after parties and things like that. I'll come out here, I'll do a video, I'll upload, you know, just showing this whole area, because there's gonna be a lot of people out here. And normally when there's no festival, all these barriers are down and then you can go in on the other side. I totally forgot that this is all gonna be blocked off for the Movement Festival. But then you got Woodward over there. It goes up, that's like a main street in Detroit. Then you got the Renaissance Center, that's the big building. Griswold. A lot of people are enjoying the day. I'm gonna end this video right about where it says Hart Plaza over here. No, that's Woodward, I'm sorry. That's Griswold Street. That's Woodward, and then you take that down, that's a main street in Detroit. See a lot of stuff. That's where I'm gonna be walking towards. We'll do one of these. We started over here. We did that little walk by the Detroit Princess, and now we're right here. Almost a 9-minute video. Let me know what you think in the comments below of downtown Detroit. And it's May, what is it, May 18th, 2024. All right, thank you and take care.